This is Akshansh Magid.
I'm Shiksha Rai and I'm Arpita Thakur. We are the students of Kendra Vidyalaya School, and today we make this project pulse rate detector monitor, in this system we use Arduino and a LCD and a pulse rate detector.
Now I will tell some advantages and uses of this working system. It is a source of constant feedback and helps in enhancing the fitness level. By this we can detect our heartbeat, so we can make our workout plan according to it and schedule it according to time.
So now let me explain you how we actually made this. We have used our LCD and our Arduino Uno and a heartbeat detector and a pair of jumper wires. So this is a liquid crystal display. We have connected it to the Arduino Uno and put the code in the Arduino Uno. Then we have connected this analog sensor in the Arduino Uno, which gives our temperature and the heartbeat to the Uno, and it gives the beat per minute to the Arduino Uno, and it Arduino process it and it gives to the display LCD, and then LCD display it on the screen. As we all know, the huge pandemic COVID-19 had just before this year, before 2 years. So very much patient were so much people were affected by COVID-19 in the pandemic. So we have made this project so it can tell the BPM, and it is very useful in medical field. It can be used in hospitals, and it can be also used in schools where we have a special medical room.
We can also add GPS in the system, which help in tracing the location of patient and nearby hospitals. In the case of emergency, it is very useful. Thank you for giving us opportunity to participate in Airtel Marathon.